Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make meat sauce pasta in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. To cook the meat sauce pasta, of course, you need to have the recipe and you will be able to unlock the recipe after you reach level 4 in your cooking hobby. Once you have unlocked level 4, you can go to Masimo and buy the recipe from him. And I'm going to try to cook the meat sauce pasta. Okay, this is the ingredient. You will need meat and then wheat and tomato and also cheese. And I'm going to click on start cooking. And this is my first time cooking this. Oh, almost burnt. Cooking the meat sauce pasta. Oh my god, we need to adjust the heat level very quick. Okay, let's go. Almost done. Yep, and I'm going to take the food. Okay, and I've just unlocked the meat sauce pasta. Okay guys, and that's how we can make meat sauce pasta in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.